Thank you guys for tuning into the Dhol Playground. My name is Manvir, and in this episode, we're going to go over the final part of the Bunker Invasion set. Before we get into this episode, I just wanted to distinguish the difference between the Dhol Playground and the Simply Dhol videos. The Dhol Playground videos are more raw and less structured, as you may have seen in the past, whereas the Simply Dhol videos generally cover one item or a specific theme. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy both. The reason why I wanted to dissect this set is because there's so much to learn from it. Not only are you learning various beats, but you're learning how to put some of these beats together in a sequence. When I first started learning how to play Dhol, what I used to do was rip the audio from YouTube videos and then go to Windows Media Player, slow down the audio just to figure out what was being played. If I had somebody breaking down sets for me like this, the learning process would have been so much easier. Now, let's get back to this episode. I'll play the clip for you that we're trying to break down so you have an idea of what it sounds like, and then we'll go from there. To refresh your memory, the last segment ended with the following tehai, and that is where we will be continuing from. This last segment is going to be broken down into 6 parts. And to avoid being repetitive, I'm not going to go over items that we've covered in the past, but I will go over some items where I feel that students might have some trouble. Part 1, simple enough, is Giddha played 4 times. Part 2 is a Giddha Fill that we covered in the most recent Simply Dhol video. To refresh your memory as to how that's played, I'll play you a clip from that previous lesson. Part 3 goes back to Giddha for 7 more bars, followed by the Tora, din din, da, din din. The next part, to keep things simple, we're going to play the following. Da, da, na, ge, da, na, ge, da, na. And that's played. So that sequence itself, da da na na ge da na ge da na, is played 7 times. On the 8th time, you want to play da da na ge da na din, and then we're gonna play a little gira gira, which is a drum roll, na. And just to illustrate what that sounds like, I haven't covered the gira gira yet in any of the previous lessons, but it's a Dhol equivalent of a drum roll, and it's fairly simple to play. Basically, what you're doing is alternating between the daga side and the dili side, starting with the daga. So it's left, right, left, right, left, right. And what you want to do on the treble side is, I resume my normal grip, but you want to hit the kanar of the Dhol, which is the shell, relatively hard, so that the end bounces off, creating a roll. Just to illustrate what that sounds like, I'm going to alternate between the daga side and the dili side. And for the purposes of this set, we're not going to play the full gira, the left, right, left, right, left, right. All we're going to play is ge, followed by one treble hit, followed by another ge. Part 5 goes back to Giddha for 8 more bars, which leads into the ending of the set. And the set ends with gena nana gena gena na gena 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 nana gena gena na gena 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 da 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 gena gena da 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 gena gena da da da. To help you guys get that down, I'll break it down for you now. Before we wrap up this video, if you guys enjoyed it or were able to take something away from it, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching as always.